going on? Thanks, bro. This one. Sorry. Oh! I didn't see that there. Thank you. Thank you. Dude. It's freaking hot in here.
Dude, I'm sorry. My air conditioning's weird.
You need to freaking fix it.
Dude, it's not my fault. I can't help but have a used car and the air conditioning's like screwed up.
I don't care. It's freaking hot in here. You need to freaking get it fixed right now.
Dude, if you don't stop cussing, I'm gonna call my mom.
A few minutes later. Freaking!
It's done.
Dude,
I'll call my mom.
I'm sorry.
Look,
It's so hot.
Right now. I don't care. I'm calling my mom. I told you.
I'm sorry.
I told you already. Hey, Mom. Hey. Hey, I love you. Hey. Yeah, I know you love me.
I'm sorry, man.
Yeah, I love you. I love you too. Okay. Okay, you have cookies. Okay. Okay, I'll be home. Okay, I love you too. Okay. Okay, I have something to tell you. Ryan. Yeah, Ryan Parrish. Yeah. Yeah, he cussed me out. Yeah, he keeps cussing and he cussed me out. Yeah. He said bad words to me. What? What? You don't care? Why don't you care? You don't care about my what? My mom's such a.
Thank you. Thank you. Dang it! Guess what time it is? It's blooper time!
Shut up!
Oh, okay. Dude.
Started now?
It's freaking. Yes. Golly. You need to freaking fix your freaking. Come on, man. Freaking get it right. Alright, go. So freaking hot in here! Oh, wait. No, I'm sorry. We're good. Alright, we'll do it. Alright, ready? Alright. Blue car! Alright, let's get that Dr. Pepper of yours. Oh, let's do it.